Imagine why hish mhori agus fasti to this week a rasher sculpt magic janu and tEarrach this spring agus be magic janu gafrod buncha lesh and tEarrach and ishlilin and V Shaw and this within the next month. We will be doing lots of spring talking, springing forward into spring. So boys and girls, to magic helleru a lan cudge in the feast the mora at Harleans in tEarrach. Lots of big feast days happen in the spring. For example, la Ila Brija, la Padric, la Ila Valentine, August and Ish to magic sul gomorla Dona Casca. We're looking forward to Easter Sunday. August Shaw, Miana and Ari, the months of spring are Fiora, Martin, August Ibran. February, March and April. August Igjeru or Ilar Mi Ibran. In the middle of April comes and Cunyin Nakaska comes the Easter Bunny. August being Kujwar Roar Ahriha Lefeka Sanadur. Lots of nature changes because being Nahuan Breha, the lambs are born. August tagging the Shikaniyama, the little chicks are born. August being in Felachan Ikfas Ama as and Cluv, the butterfly grows out of the caterpillar. August being in Laka again Kamai, we have the little Laka, the little duck as well. August ta another Ikfas Maradurchme, nature is growing as well. August being in backlog again, we have the buds, Ikchaktama Nagega, the Crin, coming out on the branches of the trees. August Fosta being the Blahana Ikfas, the flowers are growing. August being in gas Lefekail, we can see that they have the stems. August being petal, Itichim on Blahana on Crin, some of the petals fall off the blossoms of the trees as well. August being Gahrod Fuibla, everything is blossoming. Fuibla, it's blossoming. Okay. August being a lan ruddy Ictarlu Lish and Hampshire Kamai. We know lots of things happen with the weather as well, don't we, boys and girls? Being Kahana Bashti on, we know there are rain showers. Being Bashak Trum on, sometimes there's heavy rain. Then we use which are scafarinya, we use our umbrellas. August Hagan and Boa Bashti, the rainbow comes out as well. August Fekan Wajalan Fehiji, August Blahana Ikfas Maradurchme. So we do see lots of flowers growing, Blahana flowers. Marhampla Lussan Crumkin, the daffodil. August na tulipi, Tagan Sheed Needs Mulya, the tulips come later. August being post Tabakta Egg and Bumbog no and Beach. We know that the bumblebee or the bee has an important job to do. Sagarging, ag torch and nectar, August and mill asakila. August shaw eat cudged in the fuckle mora, buncha lesh and cask. And cask Easter, the Irian Isa on an Uv from the grave, he rises from the dead. August Ina and Kiesta and La Afur Isa Bas, Good Friday when Jesus dies. August and tEarrach is the spring. Then Fasten Gahrod ama a shield the vaga esti san her. Everything grows out of a little seed that grows in the soil. Her shield seed her soil. And then being an frog ikfas kamwai a fashti August tasais 3 phases on or kara phase on 4 phases of it. Fasten she asan of it grows from an egg. Guji an shkahrak frog to the frog spawn. Guji and turban, lish and tail vig, arable vig air with the little wiggly tail. August and shin fashion she a strategy frog more, it grows into a frog. Now we know the chick evolves the same way as an of from the egg. A guji shicking vig into a little chick as well. So we have those animals going on as well, and shicking August and laka estoica, both chick and egg. The life cycle of the egg and the duck are the same fasten shade as of. Go shicking, not laka. They grow from the egg to the chick and to the little duck. Agus an sin tá an focail anmhíthe agin bín a lean anmhíthe le feiceil mar hampla an uain, an sicín, an na héanaí, an felachan, an bombóg nó an béach agus conín na casca the Easter Bunny. Tá muid le ag súil leis an conín na casca nes we're all looking forward to the Easter Bunny coming. So seo iad ar bhocla a bé muid ag flé le linn an caiice sin nuas. For the next fortnight we'll be learning these words, boys and girls. And then in our books we'll be ag fecin ar an bóster le Síofra agus Sean agus fecim cran. I see a tree, fecum and green, the sun, and scammel, the clouds, and spare, the sky, and fair, the grass, agus tanahihun, ag lambs na farcana, the lambs are frolicking in the field, agus ta ashin, agus Sean, ag Janu of Cuardach, they're doing an egg hunt chimple garging, an egg hunt around the garden. Of Shapleja, there's a new one for us, a chocolate egg. To the Kiri Safark, we see that the lambs and the sheep are in the fields. And Shikeen, the chick, Connie, the casca, the Easter bunny, Kishan, Bali and Tune, the heaven has a cushion. You collect your eggs in a basket. August and of casca, Easter egg. So to the lust the crumkin, ig fast, the daffodils are growing. August to the shikini ag chat trastin in the parka. To taffy ag January Paul Wars the guardian, he's making a big hole in the garden. To the cunnini ag Liam, the bunnies are hopping there. August tan cat in a sea are in sconsa, the cat is sitting on the fence. So ta lan rodi ag tarlu August buncha lesh and tEarrach associated with the springtime. August being the past year leg ag play the focal mora lilin and caiice nuas for the next fortnight. Thank you.